Laitkam byllai, multiple job vacancies. Ki jing pentip Laitkam kumba khat lai teli ngi labu lang hakane ke jing pentip ke bamenta, hane ke video ke bamenta. Ki dan kam security guard, ta kam data entry operator nata district accountant kumba I hane po MHIS West Khasi Hills. Nang ta MHIS recruitment hapo South Garo Hills. Tanna ke dan ngi kam go somewhere tour tourist taxi driver manager operations pat kiwai ngin ya pachwa ya kane ka baning kong ka thop baning kong abo lang arteli kane ba tho job available go somewhere to operator kadon kam arteli ki post kumba yang ni la roid lang sao ka baning kong manager operations and business development ki badan arsnam experience bat kawai pat kadai tourist taxi driver ki badan experience amdona ya ka arsnam the hapnang ikantin English Hindi kine Hindi compulsory but lada nang Khasi kin khamjit the pa exhibi jong pi sha bat kadur jong pi sha katuka email ka pakarteng hr.go@gmail.com dan haki number prasan nyausan sawi lai not pra lane hau riu not lai not khandai not the second way pat but hot job vacancies are open nam ta kam data entry operator apa hapo darogre bela past 10 plus 2 qualification with minimum typing speed of 30 words per minute yang ta sakawai ka post pat multitasking staff hapo Shillong ki bela pass class 10 sejrong but ki badan basic computer knowledge but sakawai ka post pan housekeeping staff at both Bakmara and Shillong kane kadi hapo Bakmara Shillong the interested and eligible candidates may apply to bimalmandal8@gmail.com apply hau hatu ke email ka pakarteng bimalmandal8@gmail.com tekini ke jing pentep Laitkam nakini ki arteli ke jing pentep bangila bulang hakane ke top ka banengkong tementa pat nyepat ya kane ke babut kadai ke jing pentep na ke MHIS recruitment hapo West Khasi Hills district ka post pala kadai district accountant kan sadon ka written test berka work in interview haka arpau khandai tarik Oktober araja rapusan hapo DMHO office West Khasi Hills district Nongpoh Tanang ta kini qualification minimum of BCom on a finance and accounting graduate or a finance and accounting graduate minimum of 2 years of experience as an accountant in a government sponsored scheme or organization. Preference will be given to MCom or MBA finance, excellent knowledge of accounting, regulation and procedures including the generally accepted accounting principles gap. Tekanai ke close posting kadai hapo West Khasi district kajing si kadai arpusan hajar manu benai. Teka post kadai district accountant ngin sebut kanai ke link jong kanai ke jing pentep kam da syai baha hang ning sebut kanai ke link bah pin wiok pai ki sebut hapo description ban piok pai kamria yo poli kamria bat bakito ki ba dan ni qualification kila bat appear ke written test per interview ba kaban salong hak arp na tarik Oktober arajar arpusan. Tesakan nga wairo kadai post district accountant kadai jong ka MHIS recruitment tang baka kadai pat hapo South Garo Hills district. Ki qualification ki long kejo kejing zero kejo tang shupher tang posting ning tabat katarik jong ka written test bat ka interview kin perlong hak arp lai tarik Oktober arajar arpusan haka MCH Hospital Tura West Garo Hills district. Tentang tu kedan jeng peta ya ki standard form nang ta ki passport size pihak pendai lang kapor bawan le ya ka interview ya ka written test ngin sebut kali kan link jong kali ka jing pentep ru apa description ba penyo pen kanang bakito ki badan je ki eligibility criteria pila ban let me shakan ka written test interview da ka ba puli ya kan ka jing pentep khamhashu da ka ba ngit sabuk link hapo description Tamanta pan nyapat sakan ka jing pentep naga district medical health officer Ribhoi district am taka post data entry operator come helper likely post under the 15 finance commission please of posting kedai hapo UHWC ki bahab apo the Ribhoi district kiniki urban health welfare center ki bahab apo Ribhoi district likely ki post jangka data entry operator come helper kaching siu kedai khat hajar man panai nang ta qualification ki pan gitu ki ba la pendap ya ka bachelor in computer application BCA tarik hadu ban poi application form hapo office jang district and medical and health officer Ribhoi district Nongpoh training and NCD NHM room second floor kedai hadu san baje jan met jang ka khat lai tarik October arajar arphosan the ongkin sapentep ye ki shortlisted candidates ha ka khat sau tarik kin sabuk ni ki pentep hapo DC office Ribhoi district anta DMHO Ribhoi district ta sneng link Bhoi Rambang blog ro kumcho pasal saya iro atau website teman-teman ni pat sakane kini kani kathop ila bu lang kini jipetip sau tali kini kapaning kong kadai na kapna kam security guard kam multitasking assistant na kapanta ka resort kebadan hapo meli marbanyang tapi la ban contact how to number nam ta chite pakam ne ka ong ne must be available on Sunday semar hapor akasngi blairo pi hap light por ban tray kum ki security guard ha ne ka resort contact number pranyo nyo praiway san iway sakan ka way female caretaker for homestay in Jawai ka jingsi ko de sipo hajar asan join awesome counseling for a free financial counseling for pensioners BRS and retired teachers in MG Road opposite MHIS Secretariat on 9th of October kapor khatway stang master tasakan ka way pakadai ka farm and animal husbandry workers in Goa ka jingsi ko de khatsan hajar Sejrong batkan sadan roka accommodation WhatsApp how number kandai pra RR iway saula iway te kini gidai kijing pentep bangi labu lang ha ni katop kam security guard apa female caretaker hapo homestay hapo Jawai uto number dapat pila ban phone company na ta kadai pan bentakan ka free financial counseling nam taki pensioners BRS and retired teachers kin pelong haka khandai tarik October arajar arpusan pila kontak akte number na banta bantep ya caka ban pelong ya ka free financial counseling sakanai ka wai kecing bantep bakhado pan kadai kan ka batho wanted sales representative having scooty salary up to 20,000 phone number khandai line riu ar nyo not lie taskan ka wai par job openings ta ka haka bauri fin reserve Hankati for the post of office executive must be proficient in computer and English and Hindi. Please send a resume with a recent photograph to shillongworks@gmail.com lane how number pranyo na pila pan inquire na majitip akamne show number pranyo san kandai iway not iway permanent post pat assistant manager branch manager kibala paskas each sajrong kajing siu kadai arpo hajar do arpo san hajar nam ta chite bakam nia lai yang kot phun hotu number kanai pran riu ar pra lai ta Jawai phun ang kitu number nyon riu ar kandai pra kandai ar riu sao ne pra iway lai iway kandai pra an riu sao Ribhoi pranyo lai iway not lai kandai san riu ta clear riu kandai not kandai iway not nyo riu lai not Tekin lagi jing bentep bangila bolang hani katop ka pamanta sales representative assistant manager branch manager bat kanika office executive kublai shibon ya phi ba ro ki papai